What is up, guys? It's me, William, the Thomas Fan 7532 here, and today I'm back with another unboxing video. But before I start, it's been 3 months since I last did an unboxing video. But anyways, if you're wondering why Donald is here, is because I'm doing another unboxing video on his twin. And can you guess who that is? It's Douglas! Yep, I finally got him. I finally got him on Amazon. I got him at Amazon for about like $28. So let's take a review of the box first before unboxing him. There's his face right here. This is Douglas. He's a motorized engine. Thomas. Yep, Fisher Price. And he requires a AA battery, which is not included. And there's the back. And on the bottom, very nice, in my opinion. But anyways, guys, I will be unboxing him, but this will be the first time where I do it on camera. Okay, guys, I will be opening this live on camera. There we go. Now let's review him. So there's Douglas himself. Let's look at him. He looks very nice. He's just like his twin brother Donald. He's very perfect. And now this is tender. It's number 10. Before I put the AA battery in him, I would like to compare him to Donald. Okay, here we go. So this is what Donald looks like. Their faces look very similar. And so do their tops. They both look very, very similar. Okay, and this is where you'll find the differences. This is Donald's nameplate, and this is Douglas's nameplate. Sides is the same, except different names. Bottoms are the same. They both have the same side rods. So that is them. Now, let's take a quick look at their tenders. So these are their tenders. Backs. This is what... Okay, here are the sides. Okay, so this is Donald's tender, number 9. And this is Douglas's tender, number 10. And this is also the same on the sides. And this is what the bottoms are. Okay, now let's put a battery in him and let's give him a test run with his twin brother Douglas. Alright, now let's put the battery in him. Here we go. He runs really good. Okay, now let's put him back in. There we go. Now then, let's give him a test run, and let's run him along with his twin brother Donald. Guys, what do you guys think? Note, there will be some more unboxing videos coming up in the future. But anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I will see you in the next video. See you later! Bye!